Welcome, scholars and parents, to the kindergarten math homework teaching video for the week of December 7 to December 11. For Monday's homework, please draw 3 flowers that are shorter than these flowers. And then you're going to count how many flowers you have now and write the number in the box, which is the total. So they already have 2 flowers and you are going to draw 3 more flowers that are shorter than these flowers. So 3 flowers shorter than this plus the 2 taller towers. How much does it make? 2 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the total that you will write here. Next, you're going to draw 2 more ladybugs that are taller than these 2 short ladybugs. And then count to find out the total number. And then write the total number of ladybugs, short as well as tall, in this box given. Then on the back of your paper, you are going to draw something that is taller than you. And then draw something that is shorter than a flagpole. Next, you will also count the objects in each line and then write the number of objects in each box for each line. So let's count how many of these shells are in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5 here. Next, you will count how much is in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write 6 here. Then you are going to compare the 2 rows of shells to find out which one is more. And you will write which one is more in the first blank and which one is less in the second blank. So we wrote that there were 5 shells on the top and 6 shells on the bottom. So because 6 is more than the 5, we are going to write 6 here to show that 6 is more than 5. So write 5 here to show that 5 is less than 6. Then try doing the next 2 questions by yourself. And for Tuesday's homework, you will draw an object that will be lighter than the one that is in the picture by weight. So which one is lighter than a soccer ball? How about a balloon? Is a balloon lighter than a soccer ball? Yes, it is. So you will draw a balloon or something else that you can think of that is lighter than a soccer ball. So anything goes fine as long as it is lighter than this object given on this left side. Then for Tuesday's homework, you will take out a new crayon and then circle all the objects with lengths that are shorter with a blue crayon and the longer objects with a red crayon. So you're going to circle the shorter objects with a blue crayon and circle the longer objects with a red crayon. So let's do one as an example. This car is shorter and this car is longer. Therefore, I will circle this longer car with a red crayon and this shorter car with a blue crayon. So please try to do all the others by yourself by looking at the lengths of each car. Then on the back of your paper, and if you don't have room in the back, you will have to find a different paper to draw your pictures. So they're saying on the back of your paper, draw some things shorter than the crayon and longer than the crayon. So you had to compare your pictures to a crayon and draw things that are shorter than the crayon and draw things that are longer than the crayon. And then you will also draw something that is the same length as your crayon as well. Then for Wednesday's homework, you are going to use a red crayon to circle the sticks that are shorter than the 5 stick. Here's the 5 stick that they have given for your measurement. And whatever stick that is shorter then the 5 stick you are going to color, or they say to circle it. So don't color it. Circle the sticks that are shorter in red. So what numbers are smaller than 5? That will be any number that is less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, or 4. So any sticks that you have 1, 2, 3, or 4 is shorter than 5, and you're going to circle all those sticks in red. Next, they're asking you to use a blue crayon to circle the sticks that are longer than this 5 stick. So any stick that is longer than the 5 stick, or any stick that comes after 5 or is bigger than 5, you will be circling those sticks in blue. So let's count and find out if this stick here is longer than the 5 stick they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is longer than 5 because 6 comes after 5. So any number that comes after 5 is actually bigger, and those sticks are going to be longer than the 5. So please circle those numbers that come after 5 with a blue crayon. Next, on the back of your paper, you're going to draw a 7 stick, okay? And then you're going to draw a stick that is longer than that 7 stick. And then you will draw a stick that is shorter than the 7th stick. So if your stick is going to be longer, make sure that it has to be a number that comes after 7. And if it is a shorter stick than the 7th stick, then it has to be a stick that comes with a number before 7. So like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So any number that comes before 7 will be shorter than the 7th stick. Then for Thursday's homework, you are going to circle the stick that is shorter than the other. So if you look here, there is this stick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 in it. That means 7 squares in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this stick has 6 squares in it. So which one is shorter? So definitely you can see that 6 is shorter than the 7. And also 6 comes before 7, therefore 6 is smaller than the 7. So you are going to see how you have the word shorter. So you have to write the stick that is shorter, which is 6. So write the 6th stick is shorter than the 7th stick. So write the numerals 6 here in the first blank and 7 in the next blank. Then look at the word longer and write the stick that is longer in the first blank, stick that is shorter in the next blank, to show that the 7th stick is longer than the 6th stick. Then on the back of your paper or in another paper, you are going to draw a 7th stick. And then you're going to draw a stick that is longer than the 7th stick. Then you're going to draw a stick that is shorter than the 7th stick. You can draw the 7th stick in the middle, and you can draw your shorter stick on top and the longer stick on the bottom, or the longer stick on top or the shorter stick on the bottom. Whichever way you want to draw it is fine, but please draw the 3 different sizes of sticks, one below each other. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this video helped you answer all your homework questions. If not, please come and see me for help. I hope that you all will have a great week. Thank you for watching this video.